So guys, we are still walking on the forest. So we are walking. Look at this, guys. Can you imagine? Can you imagine, guys? Can you imagine that the jungle here in Europe is look like this? You know, it's something different than our jungle in Asia. You know, because now is springtime just begun, so you cannot see green leaves on this jungle. And you know, and guys, ever since I did not see any snake here, maybe because of cold weather. So Barbara, can you see something? What do you want to see? What do you want to talk? What? So guys, we are already walking for how many hours, Barbara?
Dry soon.
9. Snake dry soon then.
Doch.
We already walk for
2 Stunden. 2 Stunden.
9, maybe
Doch. 2 Stunden.
1 hour and a half. Yeah, guys, look at the nature here. So I like the nature here. Every season here in Germany, they have different kind of nature. So, or in Europe, because we have springtime, we have winter, we have summer, we have 4 seasons, guys. Summer, spring, summer, winter, summer, autumn, winter, and balik si Barbara.
Was? Winter.
Springtime, summer, I don't know, but we have 4 seasons, guys. So guys, you see, we try to walk nature to have other, you know, other activities in life, not only shopping, you know, because in shopping we buy and buy if we see sales, you know, clothes. But I don't buy expensive clothes, guys. I only buy sale. But you know, slowly by slowly we have a lot of things already. Then why not we are going to do other things? We go to the nature, you know, nature is beautiful. So guys, see. So guys, before anything else, I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am Cucumber Amber. And guys, please don't forget to follow or like and subscribe, you know. If you like my videos, I just yeah, mag dan. Okay. So, and I also guys want to say thank you to all my subscribers all over the world. All over the world tonight. All over the world tonight. So guys, yeah. Because we are bored, so we are just doing this. Then we have something to do. Because we still have more maybe we still have more 30 minutes to get there.
1 hour.
We are looking for the flamingo. I don't know if we can see the flamingo, but you can see, guys, I really like the nature. It's different. See, you see. So